At Catalina Foothills High School, our career and technical education clubs do more than build skills. They spark passions, develop leadership, and set students on the path to success. From planning events to providing services for our school, our CTSOs are making a difference every day.
The photography program has really impacted me a lot because it's one of my favorite passions and something I love to do. And especially when I got introduced to Cook, he really helped me flourish in the way I produce my photography and what types of photography I like. The photo club, we try to help develop students who aren't able to make it into the photography program.
Our club, we allow students of any programming level to join and succeed.
HOSA, it just recently changed its name to stand for HOSA FHP, which stands for Future Health Professionals. Their mission is to lead, innovate, serve, and create.
So DECA is just a business readiness club where there's multiple different categories that you can be a part of, like marketing, business, finance, and it's really just exploring your interest in the business world.
We learn about education for children and childhood development. So
basically, anyone who's in the graphic design class is also could be a part of the club if they want to.
During the meetings, we just do activities to get to know each other, learn about movies, directors, and then obviously just setting up for the film festival.
Ms. Osinga's class just really opened me up to the idea that being a medical professional is something that I could do and something that I'm really passionate about. The dissections, all the skills we learned in Sports Med 1 and 2 really prepared me to go on to my JTED class and kind of have a leg up in that so that I could excel in that class.
We actually started at the beginning of this year because a lot of our club members were new by teaching them the basics of programming by going through Python, algorithms, lists.
This helps a lot with problem solving, especially in students around high school age.
We bring in some speakers. We've had some that speak on lighting tech and on sound design, and we just sort of bring in some community speakers that are experts in their fields to share their knowledge with the students.
It's great for really anyone that wants to just get involved in a regular science class, and I think it becomes so much more after your first year because you get to go on field trips and actually, we went to the biosphere this past year.
we do a ton of different projects and events that we get to as you move further up in the club. We get to go on field trips to elementary schools, and we just do a lot of hands-on activities.
This year is just completely about actually producing things, physical things in the shop instead of just designing them on a computer, which is really cool, I think.
So I've gotten to go through all of the stages and learn about all the things in the booth and in the catwalks and how to run the boards, and it's a great learning experience because you get a lot of hands-on work, which I really like, and then you also get to work on the shows.
We mostly just build robots meant to be serving a purpose.
Yeah, and it's really great for building, just networking with people and just having, because without DECA, me and her would never know each other, but now we're very close friends, so DECA is just an amazing experience overall.
And continuing through theater, we have all made so many great connections and continue to make lifelong friends.
Networking is absolutely essential. You have to know what people's strengths and weaknesses are, how you can help them when they're leading, and how they can help you when you are leading.
And that's kind of what the point of HOSA is. It's to connect students with doctors and other medical professionals just so they get that hands-on.
It can help people a lot with finding somewhere to be where they can express themselves.
Working together with people to make something happen and even just make a film and be able to watch something that you imagined come to life is it's a really fun experience.
So for the high school, I do Falcon fly-in and also the yearbook, so I'm always outside taking photos of people.
And then we also do actual graphic design work for whoever needs it, clubs. During graphic design class, we'll work here in the shop to actually produce the t-shirts and the other merchandise.
We work with the guitar program and the choir and some of the other sport teams, and we record concerts or games.
we are in the middle, near the end of preparation for the film festival, which is sort of our Christmas, 4th of July, Thanksgiving, all rolled into one.
Like any student in the school can submit a film.
Club members, they get to help out with working on our shows, they'll work front of house, so like helping out with concessions or ticketing, and then sometimes the club members actually get to work in our booth here, which is where we are right now.
Or they're able to then show those photos and all those, like all their efforts and that they put into these photos and these different assignments, and use that in different business projects and competitions. We are going to FBLA this year.
Club members have a chance to participate in a wide variety of events, from website design to mobile application design and game design.
So we prepare for them by like creating our designs and like practicing our presentations, and then we'll go to the actual competitions and present to like judges.
Through the host of competitions, we encourage all the students to participate in one, and all of them involve skills. So like nursing assisting would involve like taking vitals, or phlebotomy would involve taking blood, things like that. So through the competitions, we're able to learn more specific skills as well.
So I'm currently planning to go to ASU to be enrolled in their computer science program with emphasis in software engineering.
Next year, I'm going to be attending University of Kansas, and I'm going to major in human biology on a pre-medicine track.
So far, I want to be a teacher or a psychologist, so yeah.
And then I want to be a social worker who specializes with age 3 to 8. So this is heavily based on psychology and the development of children, which truly helps for social work.
Right now I'm in the running for an international scholarship for a internship with Go Overseas.
Well, I'm currently a senior, and then I'm going to go to the U of A and double major in business management and economics.
Into the University of Arizona, that is done, specifically in the College of Fine Arts. And the class has really introduced me to a love of film and television. So I'm going to be in their Bachelor of Arts program for film and TV production.
Have my own business, which I do, which is really fun.
Next year I'm going to try to do a JTED class, which is off campus, and I'm also trying to do Sportsman 2 because I did Sportsman 1 this year.
I'm going to finish out my JTED and get my CPT and my CCMA. And then I plan to work over summer, and then I'm going to the University of Arizona. I'll be majoring in biochemistry with a minor in Spanish.
Next year I'm going to college in Georgia. I'm going to an art and design college for graphic design, actually. So I'm really looking forward to that.
No matter what happens, I know I'll be able to use the experience that I've had competing through this club to set me apart from the other computer science students, and even as I go into the workforce.